distinction between a product and a service. A product can be differentiated from a service on the following grounds. Number one, tangibility. A product is tangible as it can be seen, touched, and tasted. On the other hand, a service is intangible because it cannot be seen, tasted, or touched. Therefore, a product can be checked before purchase, while a service cannot be checked before purchase. Number two, perishability. A product is durable and it can be stored. For example, showroom can store 20 cars which could not be sold this year. But a service is perishable and cannot be stored. If a bus which can carry 40 passengers has only 30 passengers, then the service meant for 10 seats perishes. Number three, ownership. When one buys a product, he becomes its owner. For example, when you buy a car, the ownership of the car is transferred from the seller to you. But when one buys a service, he does not become its owner. For instance, if you hire a taxi, there is no transfer of ownership from the seller to you. Number four, inseparability. A product can be separated from its producer. For example, the producer of a car need not be present when the car is sold to a customer. But a service cannot be separated from the service provider. For example, when you travel by a taxi, the taxi driver has to be present. Number five, homogeneity. In case of a standardized product, each unit of the product is a perfect substitute for another. It is impossible to differentiate one unit from other units. For example, when you buy a Maruti car, you will get the same quality irrespective of the place of purchase. But services are not homogeneous. For example, you may not get the same service quality each time you hire a taxi. Services are highly variable. A patient may not get the same treatment in a village hospital which he can get in metro hospital. Number six, technology. A product is technology based, whereas a service is person based. For example, the quality of a car is dependent largely on production technology, but the quality of its repair is dependent largely on the skill of the mechanic. Number seven, after sales service. Consumer durable products such as cars, scooters, air conditioners, TV sets, refrigerators, etc. require repair and maintenance facilities after their sale, but no such facilities are required in case of services. Number 8, participation. Customers do not participate in the process of manufacturing products, but customers participate in the production of services. For example, when a car is manufactured, the customer need not be present, but when he hires a taxi, he has to be present. Number 9, marketing mix. In case of product, marketing mix consists of 4 elements: product, price, place and promotion. But in case of services, marketing mix consists of 3 more elements, namely people, physical evidence and process.